Big up Krossez TV.
I'll be a Krossez you have over your master.
Krossez TV about.
I could drive. I wanna take a liberty with me. I wanna this. I wanna that. And I get up and I pay my money. And I start drive from September. I when I start drive from September. In October I done the class. My friend come here and rent a vehicle. And my friend rent the vehicle and I go one back for 2 days. I say extend it. And when we learn for drive, we never go on the blood clot. I will make it so me come from the airport, come over to blood clot. I'm nervous and see me here. Me drive go far places 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 hours. I'm gonna drive for me. I'm a learner's permit. I'm gonna drive for my license December and it issue to me in a blood clot. God good, me can rent all car for my own. Me no need nobody. Nobody. Me can make money by myself because I'm brave no blood clot. Me no want a friend from uno. Me no want a friend from uno. Me no need nobody. When I say nobody, I mean nobody I don't want around me. And you tell all my people about how much man in my house at night time. Me, Annie, and you lose. Annie, you lose. You lose, Annie. And if from me help the boy come America and him go boy in business, my love and me I'm a good relationship. Me no look pan another boy. A whole heap of boy coming on my Instagram and look me and all I do is block them. Cause I don't want nobody but that man that I have. Yeah. And him, if my man no want me, him not go want you. So he said, all of the news where you carry, a time you waste. All of the news where you carry and yet. Time ya waste, Annie. And you wish it smooth like me. Annie, you wish that tall big back boy, yeah? You wish. Just write yourself alone, Annie. I remember the strippings not there. Real skin. Do this. Show your real skin, no filter. Smooth. Annie, you no smooth. You favor man, you look like man, you tall like man, you walk like man. No matter what you do, Annie, you just can't be girly. You cannot be girl and all you have a real pussy, my man don't want you. Cause I never know real woman that fight out somebody will have one little girl. Me never need a fight for this, Annie. You grudge me from a little kitty cat. Cause Annie wanna fuck out, you know? Annie wanna fuck out. Annie you have 44 you fuck out and you don't have no pussy. You don't have no pussy, Annie. You wear size 12. You don't have no pussy, Annie. No pussy. Quote, burn out your pussy. That's why the man nasty. Here with you, Annie. No man nasty with you, Annie. When I say no man, I mean no man. No man nasty with you. None. And yeah, you know when the man nasty, the doctor take out your throat. Remember doctor cut your so and take out the butterfly cancer within your arm, your tonsil, your thyroid. Yeah. You don't have no throat for suck cocky, so no man no want you. Long time suck cocky woman. No man no want you, Annie. No man no want you cause doctor boss your so. To show you you're insecure. And natural causes make this bus fear, Annie. And you buy every blood clot chain off of Amazon for hide, yes, so the cut. Every chain you buy off of Amazon for hide the cut. Annie, white lady burn out your pussy. Yeah, the whole of your pussy gone. And you know, that's why you grudge me for my little girl. My little cock up and eat your grudge me for. My little ace, Annie. I eat your grudge, my fall. My round your back when I fuck out. I eat your grudge, my fall. Yeah. It you grudge me for Annie. I remember when I have pum pum. Remember when I have real vagina? Real vagina. When I have pum pum. Punny. Punash. When I have Tony. And that's when I have. You grudge me. You grudge me. You tell my man how much in things. And if I never trust him, I would give him a phone. And at the end of the day, I don't have nothing in my phone I hide. Then suppose I did have all one suck good video in my phone. Suppose I did have all one fuck video in my phone. Annie? Then suppose under me did bump up and stay bad Annie and you see it in my phone. You need to push it out. Like how you take out pictures out of the phone. Talk it truth Annie what God love. What transpire you if you do this? Annie click your live and clarify all of this. Annie any secret where you have for me boss it. Cause you don't. Boss it, Annie. Boss any blood clot secret where you have for me. Cause remember you walk and tell them much in lie already. And I'm a pretty some man I got blood clot look me. But on me, if me want entertain them. And I'm not see no boy like my man. I'm not see no boy like my husband to that. I'm not see no boy nice like my man, Annie. Yeah. And any boy or any man me gonna take after my man, Annie. Supposed to be better than me blood clot, man. Supposed to look better, nicer, have more everything than my man. Because before me take another boy, Annie, if my husband left me, Annie, I turn straight. Yeah. I remember this is America, them like gay people. I remember I have body can fuck to Annie. Yeah. Or me borrow your blood clot vibrator and rub it pa my body where you grudge me for and jerk your nasty blood clot. You nasty. And he is a nasty blood clot. That's why me hear your own family say you have AIDS and it's not lie. Me hear your family say you have AIDS and I believe now. Somebody did ask him to tell him, say, no, say, I don't know and I'm not going to tell any lie on you. But you look like you have it for true. Stinking Annie. Like you have it for true. Shit up Annie. And remember you want to kill Joan for your money. That's a post the woman to tell you where the woman big white drawers. Them nasty Annie. Thief. I never read you for nothing yet. I never read you for nothing yet. So why would you do this to me? Why would you do this to me, Annie? Why? What transpire you? Your friend, where you use her address and send me the muscle t-shirt them over Rockers Island, Annie, you chat up with the woman say make sure you know everybody, man. The woman say your class, everybody, man. And you don't want to get technical over the internet and something where you talk with the people. Damn. Yeah. Gen 1 blood clot, girl, go live and clarify your blood clots. Just as though when K-Fab never gave the $4,000 back for the partner, and you go live and show your blood clot bank account, and this, that, Annie, and you click live every minute under the filter for K-Fab, and you pay man for kill for K-Fab, Annie, go live and show it. Go live and for me, and talk what you know about me. Just as they can tell people much in things, go blood clot live. Nasty Annie. Annie, the man over Jersey no want you that I want another man. If you ever see the woman, the black ugly girl that him left for you. Remember you show me up on Snap and she still up on my Snapchat. That the ugly woman that were him left for you, Annie. No man no want you. You not have no pussy. But you start use your bottom cause it say the chart already but it did too hot. But your bottom tighter than your pussy so better you use it. Teeth in Annie. Nasty Annie. Shithouse Annie. Yeah, you me attack. You me attack. Come in at the camera close like this Annie and show your beauty. Come in at the camera like this Annie and talk in the blood clot camera. Your veneer them one clean. If you're a big woman, you have in veneer, but you're more raw. Sometimes you have the amount of floss, you have this, you have that, and all of this, so you're more raw, same blood clot way. Just as though you tell the woman on a feel it's a symphony green, and that's how you buy her the Louis Vuitton cologne. But me not even want to talk about she because she an idiot. If she see this and see what you do me, I'll pan the video where you talk about her, I call her man name and the pambo. She don't have nobody here either. So she should do that, but I'm the man with name start with D. And you see Tifa want her camera charger with the day in the truck. It the right on the back seat and you take out everything out of the truck and you weigh in the lazy bag with your teeth. You thief the bag and you tell me say about only out your car window take out the bag and you tell the woman don't feel it say you have the bag nobody know when you symphony have the bag don't when him there don't oh when you go out of town what do you go work and remember you on the ring camera chat symphony with my people them yeah and I call all the girl name and all the boy no want it. Well the world know that. That is still news. So like they can't even use that on class she my love. You can't use the boy on class she. Cause that is still news. She get over with that. And you and her go out of town go make money. I mean no she get cause she no mean them way there. She go get she trick you and say she no get all of the money and whatever because she like money. But me know you come home with money. Wicked. And you're wicked. And you figure down. You're wicked. Wicked. You class everybody. You class everybody child. You fix everybody stay bad for you. And you don't see two gorilla them over blood clot England. And remember man make you deport yourself from England. Man make you deport yourself from England and go to Jamaica and you come back them turn your back. Man Annie. Man never make me get deported blood clot. Yeah. Just as though you say Shaz left England and come here and the boy switch and go back to him ex-girlfriend can never come through nobody. Thinking anyway class Shaz. Nasty Shaz I don't know nothing about. Shaz you don't know but you don't believe so Annie take. I saw Annie the girl what the girl name? One of the girl that sell one Gucci t-shirt and the girl said she want the money for buy the ticket for her mother for come up so her mother can stay with the baby them so she can go work. The girl that was married to the truck man, cause Annie bring you down you see, Annie tell me the whole of your business. Annie tell me don't buy the 2020 Gucci t-shirt from me. I'm glad me never did blood clot buy it cause she that teeth it back. Annie with her teeth back the Gucci t-shirts. Annie tell Shaz to go on back to England cause you personally say Shaz have to suffer. She have to feel at fuck of America cause first thing first when she get the put out her family put her out Annie and her family she in some basement and this that and you don't know why she don't go back home. So I'm saying your friend you influencer member say you call shots on the phone with me she there England for me traffic her man through the blood clot bad and the man say him now come through no bad cause man a bad thing man. Yeah, so I'm go back to him ex-girlfriend. Remember you tell me because I don't know Shaz from nowhere. I don't know Shaz. I don't know her from and it don't like. And 9 day talk and that's it. Go on back. Go on back to England, Shaz. Go blood clap back. You have a customer them at England for do them ear because you can do ear bad to bad. All it take long for come off you can do ear. Yeah. But you're in my argument. Do in my argument. Do not into my argument. You're too fucking enough. You're too enough, Shaz. And a whole heap more talk, Shaz. So you nobody make me ball out your business right, you say, no? You nobody make me ball out your business right here, so Shaz. Cool and blood clot, Dedee. Go away. Shaz, remember me come drop off one tight suit where you buy from a friend, and me come drop off the dirty wig where Annie give me your daughter come out. Don't make me you have anything in a Shaz. Do not make me you have anything. Oh. You hear one time Pearl say ball out, girlie, ball it out. You no bother with me. But you don't believe say Annie take anything. So the blood clot camera tell lie. The camera tell lie. Some people know me over Krossez Island and a video blood clot Annie. It a tell lie. It a tell pussy clot lie. Eh? It a tell lie. Is it? I get nasty pound. It a tell blood clot like dirty Shaz. Eh? It a tell lie. Tacky blood clot shoot if I'm me stay from Krossez Island and video Annie. In the house. In the house, my cup is full. I'm after blood clot talk. Yeah. And Annie, you remember you in the world of war. And remember you and the world of war now. Yeah, you and the world of war. I'm gonna call the people them and I got to her. I gonna call the people them and I gonna fix your blood clot business and I gonna tell the people say you know you have a right why you delete the WhatsApp conversation. You have a right, Annie. You have a right. Me say I gonna call the people and the people them no me not tell them no lie. Them no me not tell them not the name blood clot like cause I don't know them and them never talk and I don't know them business. Yeah. But pussy. So answer you my friend, still up on the live. Chamba pussy Annie. Yeah. Do this and blood clot win. Do this and win. Me not saying a lie pan you, Annie. No lie. I don't sit here and I tell no lie pan you, Annie. See the Lord's Bible. I remember I believe in a God come I have faith. No lie. Annie, me I go sell you. Me set right, I go sell you, Annie. Me I go sell you. Cause this way you do me, you have to get it back. Yeah. You have to get it back. Me I go sell you. Wicked. And remember it's only me. There's no other Dedee. There's no other set right. It's only me. Who wanna eat me suffer? Eh? Then suppose me have an American passport. You know that make man kill me. Only that make man blood clot kill me. Cause me used to name flight risk and I go up on the blood clot plane them every minute to need to have a problem with it. Then suppose me have an American passport or one green card and me can go out of the people them country and come back. Only that kill me Annie, but that me say Annie, you know you look like you want poison me. Every time I come around here you want something to eat. You want something at the pan now will eat the snacks in the count in the cupboard. You always want poison me and you always sense it really like you want poison me. Me never know you grudge me. I never know you grudge me, Annika. This is after be grudge. This is pure grudginess. I never know you grudge me, Annie. And remember me never call it for co-sign for no care for me, now. And remember me never call it for co-sign for no care for my man buy me car, Annie. Remember me never call it for co-sign. And to me no want in and nothing with you. I never even say, Annie, you can put me on your insurance. I know me no look upon you. But if I follow my people, they don't know shit about me. Yeah, so me chat too much. This, I chat too much because I believe in, I don't know. I'm the people I'm the not on every minute them it just my family so fling it back in my ears, just a fling in my ears, just a fling in my ears. When I warn you about Annie, not Annie. You know people them say, Dedee, you see, oh you see Annie a class symphony and a chat symphony, everything symphony does she tell you? Everything symphony come down our yard from leather, come borrow for fix Kelly house, all sort of things she tell you. And this, that, stay far from Annie. Annie, I go put you in a problem. I'm going not Annie, Annie not doing that. And it just a play back in my head, so to blood clot. It just a place, it just a fling in my face, I'm shame, I kill me, shame. Annie, you make me shame. You make me shame, Annie. Annie, you make me shame to all my family my deal with me. When them depend me depend. Not Annie, not doing that. You make me shame. Shame like dog. My cup full, Annie, you hurt me deep. You hurt me deep. Yeah, you hurt me deep, Annie. You forgo a station, not me. You forgo to station, not me. But I just want you to know that it's only one set right. Any other set right, a carbon copy. Me, this is me. This is me, Annie. Me, there's no other me. Me, there's no other me, Annie. It's only me. Yeah, like how you alone, Annie. You alone. There's no other genuine girl. Yeah. And remember, you are one to make your mother dead. And me I tell you this on the bottom of my heart. Go suck out your dead mama over blood clot, duff cat. Go dig up your dead mama Nyamar. Yeah. You're wicked to me. Annie, you said Chad mash up your blood clot. Credit go war with Chad. Why you never got teeth Chad things them? You chat the whole of your family. Me know age I love you from our bottom of our heart. Yeah. I see why Auntie Jackie did tell you say your pussy big. I see why Auntie Jackie did tell you say your pussy big, Annie. I see now why Auntie Jackie did say big pussy. Auntie Jackie never tell no like you don't have no pussy. So you don't have no pussy, Annie, that's why you do this. That's why you do this. That's why you do this, Annie. Make a play back one of them because I knew me can't believe. Watch Annie. Annie saw me stay over blood clot Krossez and do that. Watch Annie na the Ottoman. No might look like I hear money by the bed. Watch Annie. Yeah, girl dig. See the essential.
Remember the white out hairstyle when they do? And that's it.
You hear Annie pack up the cologne them?
Last night when I checked breakfast, it said 23 minutes. Yeah, it said just once you go over the trials thing. White school. Once you go over white school.
This one she sit down, I have my watch, my phone, every moment my blood clot, and yet so I can't get back my watch. Take her back then, this and here I forgot down.
Okay, alright, so that, yeah. Alright, so that. Forgiveness, great. Let's not care just in case. You understand?
All the way you carry just in case I'll know me can't see them back in here. You hear her say? She knows she gonna mash me up.
refresh.
You not hear me? It's something like the sound gone come and call come in. You not hear me? Oh.
So I'm ring doorbell and pick me up at the door.
Through the ring doorbell and go off and pick you up on the door. On the phone you think say you never record. On the phone you think say you never record. You hear her? When you couldn't find me, she report me.
I don't even know where you're on. Here you're on.
Jesus Christ.
So I have some holy my shoes and so, and then there's something that can carry you. You understand?
Lord. Like I come prepare my body for go outside. Sweatsuit for sale.
Put them back in.
You hear her? She can do everything at daytime because she have energy. So nighttime she don't have no energy. So every day you can move me out. You hear her chat symphony? You hear her chat symphony song the Delana alone symphony have? You hear her chat symphony? When you hear the woman that chat Tiffany on the phone? Murder police. And you see about take a purse here, it can't even sell because you saw pull out. Me carry it back and put them around your yard. Me carry it back and put them right at your yard. Bottega Veneta. That's a Veneta spell? Me I bring it back. My son here the pambo. Him na have no body I know. I'm gonna deal on alone him have. And a style woman as boy. Jesus, I'm tired. Oh God. My traumatized. My charger there. is my phone out to die. Me say if symphony shit she tell me. I'll me tell the woman me no want hear the woman this.
No? Let's see what happened.
Oh God. I sing for my best friend. Me no grudge them. You know what you know. I want my black pants them, they wonder if Annie gone with them too.